The OEMTOOLS front hub puller removes front hubs without damaging the wheel bearing. It has a universal design that fits most domestic and import vehicles with independent front wheel suspension. Let's get started. Attach the yoke to the hub. Install the lug nuts with the flat side against the yoke. Install the pressure screw and hand tighten it. Continue to tighten the pressure screw with a wrench until the hub is removed. Do not use air or power tools. This tool can also be used with a slide hammer, like the OEMTOOLS slide hammer shown here, or any other slide hammer with 5/8 inch by 18 threads. The slide hammer is not included. Attach the slide hammer to the yoke. It is important to use the lock nut to prevent damage to the threads. Use the slide hammer to remove.